The Hunter PGJ sprinkler head has several adjustments. When you purchase these sprinkler heads, you should get a ribbon of these flow rate inserts, and basically you can just change out these inserts to either a higher or lower flow rate, anywhere from maybe 0.5 gallons per minute to 3 or more. So to adjust this part of things, you have this Allen head, and what you can do is screw this Allen head all the way in or further in, and then it obstructs the flow rate or the flow of this sprinkler, and then it prevents it from shooting quite as far. Because just of the physical barrier that this creates for the water as it is shot out of the sprinkler head. Secondarily, you can also, if you turn this screw all the way out, you can then remove this red insert, and then you can replace it with either a higher or a lower flow rate sprinkler. So in this adjustment here, you can adjust again the distance of the water spray as well as the kind of volume of the water spray. So on top here is this little direction of flow, and again that's where we were to adjust these two things. Here is also another icon on top where you can put this tool in to be able to again exteriorize the head of the sprinkler, and then this area here, this icon here, you can put this in, and then you can adjust the left hand side of the arc of spray. So you can make the arc smaller or larger, but again you can only change the left hand side of the arc. So for the moment, so let's say right now the spray is here from noon all the way down to a little past 180. So a little bit more than 180 degrees. And if I want to reduce the arc, make the arc smaller, I just put this tool into here, and then I turn it counterclockwise, and then I can see how far this now turns. So now I have just a little bit over 90 by turning this adjustment right here. So that's 3 adjustments so far. And the 4th adjustment is to address the fact that that we cannot change the position of the arc. So you can change the size of the arc, but it always just shifts on the left hand side. So if you want to adjust the position of the arc to maybe not shoot from here to shoot there, then you actually have to turn this inside, this shaft here within the outside body. So I'm going to stick this, so again, just to make sure that the front of the rightmost limit of the arc is at this little padlock or whatever that icon is. And then I can exteriorize this shaft here. And then what I can do is I can just turn the whole thing to the right. So now we bring that back. Again, you can see that now, previously the right hand limit of the sprinkler spray was here, but now it's nearly 90 degrees further. But the size of the arc did not increase. So again, it should be just a little bit over 90 degrees. So pretty much that is how you adjust again, the flow rate of the sprinkler head. By changing the inserts, you adjust the distance of the flow rate or of the flow by turning this screw in and out. You can then adjust the size of the arc on the left side by putting your tool into here, or you can adjust the position of the arc by getting this head out and just turning it, kind of brute force turning it within the exterior housing. So I hope that helps. These are not particularly intuitive, but they are pretty handy, and the adjustments are certainly sufficient for I think for my needs certainly, and hopefully for yours.